Subject of a formula. The subject of a formula is the main variable or required variable which is expressed in terms of other variables. Any variable out of the given variables in a formula will become a subject of the main variable on requirement. Method to find the value of the variable. Step 1. Make the required variable as a subject. Step 2. In new formula, substitute the values of the given quantities and simplify. Exercise 10.3, question number 2 to question number 13. Let us begin our class today. Open your book, page number 129, page number 130. Good morning, students. Today we are ready to take up 10.3. Last time we did 10.3 and first question we completed. Today we are ready to take the second question onward. So here is the second question. The question says, given x plus y plus z is equal to 8. X plus y plus z is equal to 8. We have to find x if y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 1. Z is equal to 1. Solution. X plus y plus z is equal to 8. Now the question says we have to keep x as a subject. You know, so the subject, it is the main variable. It is the main variable. So here we have to make x as the main variable. So all this goes toward the left. It is either gone toward the left. So when it is plus, this side will become minus. So 8 minus y minus z, and on substituting the value of y 4 and z 1, on solving we get 3. Coming to the third question. Third question, you see, given v is 1 by 3 pi r square h, pi r square h, and we have to make h as the subject. S as what? Subject. But v is 484 cc and r is 4 centimeter. R is 4 centimeter. So solution. V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h. Let's turn it. Okay, we'll write it this side and this on this side. We can write easily without changing the sign. Now, h we have to make as a subject. H we have to make the subject. So when it goes this one this side, it will become what? Multiply. 3 will be what? Multiply on other side. And pi r square, since it is multiplication here, it will become what? Division here. It will become what? Division. Now we will take it here up here now. It will become what? 3v upon pi r square. Or substitute the values now. In place of v, we will write 484. So 484. And then plus of 3 as it is. And the value of y is 22 by 7. And if you divide it, you will get some big number. Value of y is what? 22 by 7. So we get 3.142 actually. But when you divide in the calculator, you will get actually long answer, and the decimal places are very long. For the sake of simple calculation, I have written the entire thing. You can omit from here. You can leave it from here actually. Now multiply, we get 1452 and just copy it. And this r square, it simply means what? R into r. So what is the value of r? 4. So 4 into 4 is 16. Is what? 16. Now this one multiply with 1452. And on dividing 1452 by 16, we get 19.75. 19.75. Now on dividing this, now if you cannot divide, you leave this part, right, and you divide. Approximately you will get long answer 28.874999. So we will take 3 decimal places. Since it is greater than 5, we will increase this one by 1. So it will become 5. 28.875 centimeter is what? Height. Is what? Height. Fourth question. X is equal to m plus 3 upon m minus 4. Find m when x is 8. When x is 8. Solution. X is equal to m plus 3 upon m minus 4. Now on taking this one, left hand side, on transposing, we get in this way, and on multiplying, we get mx, multiplying with 4, we get 4x. Another side we have plus 3. Now, since we need m in the left hand side, what we have to do? All the m's we have to keep in the left hand side. So, on transposing, this is plus, this will become what? Minus here. And 4x, we have to take on other side. This is minus, on other side of the equal sign when we take, it becomes plus. Now, since we need only m as the subject, this is the question. So, m is common here. M is common. So, when m is common, we can write this one as mx minus 1. Mx minus 1 equals 3 plus 4x. 3 plus 4x. When you take this one to the other side, right hand side, it is multiply here, it will become what? Division. The multiply will become division here. Now substituting the values for x, what we have here? 8. So we will write 8 here. In place of x, we will write 8. We will write what? 8. Now simplifying this one. 4, 8 is 32, 32 is 35. 8 minus 1 is what? 7. 7, 5 is 35. So and there is what? 5. Fifth question says here C is equal to 5 upon 9 f minus 32 in the bracket f minus 32. We have to make f as the factor. To make f as the main variable or subject. When c is equal to 40, value of c is 40. Solution: c is equal to 5 upon 9 f minus 32. Can you write this one in the left hand side and c in the right hand side? Yes, c in the right hand side and this in the left hand side. Because you want f in the left hand side, so it is easy to transpose. Now taking this one, 5 and 9 over the right side, that is transposing. This become the reciprocal. 5 and 9 become what? 9 by 5. Become what? 9 by 5. Now bracket opens up here. Now we have to leave f alone in the left hand side. So when 32 comes to the right hand side, this minus become what? Plus. This minus. So further it is written simplified this way. This minus become what? Plus this side. 9c upon 5. Now substitute the value of c. 40. Substitute the value of c as what? 40. So 9 into 40 we get 360. 360 when divided by 5 we get 72. 72 plus 32. Now keep on copying the 32. Plus 32 we get 104. So Fahrenheit temperature will be what? 104. Sixth question says here f is equal to 9c by 5 upon 5 plus 32. Here we have to first change the subject, that is C. The question says C, we have to make it the subject. When f is equal to minus 40. Solution, f is equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32. Now, can you write what is written in the left hand side, on the right hand side, on the right side, on the left hand side? When you do this, we don't have to change the sign. So simply it is written, that is written on the right hand side and f is written on the left hand side. This I have done so that it is easier to take C. So now 32 on transposing, we become minus 32 here, and C is equal to what? 5 on 9 in the bracket minus 32. On substituting the values, what is the value of f? We have said minus 40. So in place of f, you write what? Minus 40. Only this thing. And minus minus become what? Plus 72. But the sign will not change here. Whatever is in front of the bigger number, that sign will remain. So minus 72. 9, 8 is 72. So minus 8 here. And 5 is minus 40. Can you see? In Celsius as well as in Fahrenheit, the temperatures are same magnitude. Okay? So this is one of the exception where in the Celsius and Fahrenheit, the degrees, the magnitude is same. Right? Now coming to the seventh question. Seventh question, if you see on your right side of the board, if ABC is equal to 120 and B we have to make is what? Subject. When A is 40 and B is what? 50. B is 50. So listen, ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to 120. So leave B alone in the left hand side and take transpose A and C to the right hand side. All this plus sign will come out minus in the right hand side. Now substitute the values of A and C. In place of A, write what? 40. And in place of C, what write? 50. Plus minus and minus become again plus. B to sum, but the sign remains same in this place. Okay? Sign remains what? Same. It's 90. Now 120 minus 90 we get 30. So B is equal to 30. Coming to the ninth question. Ninth question is deal with a lens, a focal length, object length, and the image length. Okay, you will study in higher classes in physics and other subjects. In the formula, we get 1 upon f is equal to 1 on u plus 1 upon v. Find u when v is 15 and f is 5 centimeter. F is 5 centimeter. Okay. V stands for image length, distance, and U stands for object length. F is the focal length. You have to make U as the subject. Here I have again the solution. You write like this. I have just interchanged. Even if you don't interchange, doesn't matter. Okay, you will get the answer same. But I have interchanged. Can you see? This one I have written on the right hand side and right one I have given the left. Now on taking this toward the right, now this become what? Minus, because you have a D on U. Pick at 1 upon U, that is equal to V minus F upon FV. Now again, actually, if you take this to this side, alright, it will become what? FB. And when you become what? B minus U. And we get what? U. This way. Actually, you get this way. So, we should not have changed here actually. But since I have done, I have written this way. Now this is written again by writing like this. Right? The same thing written like this. Now substitute the value. In place of B, write what? 5. In place of B, write what? 15. Okay, this is the formula. This is the formula which is around here. Here it is upon B minus U. B minus U. So substitute the values. In place of what I write what? 5. And in place of B write what? 15. And B again 15. And U here F. Alright. Then write what? Here it is F. Okay, now it is right. F. So we get this answer is what? 75.10. So here is what? 7.5 centimeter. But 5 centimeter. Coming to the 10th question. 10th question says, if m plus c upon m is equal to a, find c when a is 5 and m is 10. M is what? 10. We have to make c as subject here. We have to make c as a subject. So here is the solution. M plus c upon m is equal to m. Already this part is in the left hand side, so we don't have to interchange. Now take this m to the other side. Okay, transposing. Division 1 will become what? Multiplication on the other side. Now leave c alone. Leave c alone because c we need as a subject. So ma minus, when it comes this side, become what? Minus. It was plus here, it is minus. Now m and n are common here. They are what? Common here. So we will write like this: a minus 1 in the bracket. Alright? And substitute the values of m and a. We get what? In place of m write what? 10. In place of a write 5. So in the bracket, inside the bracket of solving we get 4. 10 4 is 40. So the value of c is what? 40. Coming to the 10th question. The 10th question says, if t is equal to 4 into under root h upon 32, you know, when you move the pendulum, the time period, the time taken to complete one oscillation is called as what? A time period. And this is time period here. And it is given by this formula. Though it will look big, but when you follow the rules, it is simple. So just follow it. Now we have to make subject as what? H. Represent this one by H. That is H on the left hand side. In terms of t, is saying. So t you have to include in the formula. Also calculate H. Calculate what? H you have to calculate. If t is 4, so H is the subject. So H you have to calculate. Solution: t is equal to 4 into under root h upon 32. Now interchanging the positions, left hand side on the right hand side, right hand side on the left hand side, we get this. Now leave this one alone on the left hand side and take this one toward the right. So this is multiplication, this becomes what? Division on the right hand side. Now h, if you leave, if you remove the root here, on the right hand side, it will become whole square. Okay. Okay. In the next step we will see this. The next step we will see when you remove the root on the other side, it become what? Square. It become what? Square. Now the root is removed, right? So now we are ready to do. Leave h alone because h we need as the subject here. So when 32 goes on the other side, okay? Can you see here? So it becomes what? 32 here. Right? 32 here. Now this p square, when you square for p also and for 4 also. For what? 4 also. Alright? For 4 also. So t square as well as 4 square. 4 square. When you do the 4 square, we get 16. And 16 2 30. So this 2 when you write it like this. So we have got the, in terms of t, we have got what? H. Now substitute the values. Okay? In place of t, what you write? 4. So 4 square will become. What will become? 4 square. 4 square is what? 16. 16 to the 30. So this value is what? 32. 12th question. In the 12th question, we get the question. In the formula, p equal to pi r plus 2r. P is equal to pi r plus 2r. Make r is the subject. Okay? Make r as the what? Subject. Now, hence find r if p is 40 and pi there is 3.142. 2.142. Solution. P is equal to pi r plus 2r. Now we will write this on the left hand side and p on the right hand side. So we get pi r plus 2r is equal to p. Here r is common. Pi plus 2 will become in the bracket. Now r we alone, and when it be to the other side on transposing, it become what? Division. Here on pi plus 2. On substituting, we get r is equal to 40 upon 3.142. In place of pi, what you get? 3.142 and 2 goes. And on multiplying, we get what? 5.142. On simplifying this, we get 7.79907492. So we have to take 2 decimal place. Since this number is bigger than 5, we will round it off. We will increase by 1 here. So our value is what? 7.78. Coming to the last question of this chapter and exercise, 13th question, which says, if 2a is equal to b plus 3 upon b minus 1 and value of a is 3, find b. So we will make b as the subject. B is the subject. Now on solution, 2a is equal to b plus 3 upon b minus 1. Now I am taking this one this side, write the bracket and leaving this one alone. On multiplying 2a by b, we get 2ab. And multiply 2a by minus 1, we get what? 2a. Now we have got this, and on the left hand, the right hand side we have this. Now since b we have to make a subject, so take the b to the left hand side. So b goes to the other side, and in both the terms we have bb now. And 2a we have to bring to the right hand side. We don't need it in the left hand side. Now common is b here now. In both the term, b is the common. So taking b out, we get what? 2a minus 1 equal to 3a, 3 plus 2a. Now we have to leave the b alone because we need the b. When you move this on this side, it will become what? Multiplication become what? Division. Now substitute the value of a. What do you say? A 3. So in place of a, we will write what? 3. And this place will become 3. And on simplifying, okay, first multiplication, then addition or subtraction, we get what? 6. And 6 here. And on simplifying, 9 by 5. And find the answer that is equal to 1.8. Now, you must write them in the notebook before you lose these videos. Now, audio may not be clear, but then you can see on the board